Hey folks, welcome back to Selenium WebDriver series. In this video, let's talk about what is the difference between quit and then close method and why do we need it. Okay. Before we begin, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Let's start. First, let's understand what is the close method and what is the quit method. Close is a command. It is used to close the currently open WebDriver controlled browser window. Current window is the only active window in the WebDriver when the browser will also be closed. Okay. So if we go to so here, so in case this is the while automation runs, script runs, if this is the only page, okay, which is actually been opened by the automation with the close method, it will close this tab, particular focus. I mean, whatever the tab it is focusing, it will close that. Okay. Right? Next is the quit method. There is a minor distinction between the quit and then the close method. Quit method terminates all the open browser instances, whereas the close method terminates only the current browser instance. Okay. So here we saw that in close method, it will close the particular uh, browser. Correct. So here, what is the difference is, suppose in case I have another, URL here. If I click on that, it will open another new tab. Okay. And suppose say I have another link. If I on click of it, it will open another new tab. So like this, if we have multiple tabs open. Okay. This case, close doesn't work. If you want to close the entire all these tabs, okay. If you want to close all these tabs, then you have to use this method. So if you want to understand the difference, driver.close method, it closes the current browser window that the driver is controlling, okay, which will close only the current window. Current window is the only open window. It also quits the driver, okay. If it is the only tab it has opened, so it will quit completely quit browser itself. But if there are multiple windows opened, okay, it closes only the current window and continues to run. Okay. So we will try to understand in what cases we will use this. Okay. Whereas in case of quit method, it closes all the browsers opened by that particular driver instance. Ends the WebDriver session. Okay. Should be used when you are done with the WebDriver instance and want to clean up the resources. Okay. So what happens is, suppose say, if we so here we have one, two, three, four, totally five tabs are open. Okay. In case if I use the close method, it will close the only one instance. So this it will close. Okay. So if I again go to Orange HRM, so say that this particular window only it closed. Then what will happen to these tabs then? So these tabs will remain open only. Okay, so if you want to perform any actions on this page, you can continue doing that. Okay, now also if you want to perform any actions in different tab, then you can easily perform by closing one of the window. But in case if you use quit, okay, it will quit all the four tabs, one, two, three, four, whatever the open tabs are there, it will close. So let's see it with an example. So in the previous video, we have already worked on this. So first, what we will do is let's clean up all these get methods which we had used. Okay. So right now I'm taking considering only uh, get window handle and then get window handles. Okay. So now for us, what is required is opening a new tab is only thing is required. So which we have performed it here. If you go to the application and if you click on this orange HRM, so that will open a new tab. So that is our intention. Here we do not even have to get the handle of it. Okay, you can just perform the click on it. So that would suffice. For us, for our understanding, what we are going to do is here we have already used the quit method. Okay. So I'll consider only, in case only one tab is open, how it behaves is, let's see that. Okay. So let this be there. Okay. So you will see which ID is getting closed, which handle is getting closed. Okay. But I'll comment this. So only the home page will be open, and then we'll perform close on it, close operation on it. So it is running, it opened, maximize, and then yes, it even closed. Okay, you can see that here we have got the ID of that particular window also. And now what we will do is, so we will perform quit and see what will happen. So for the same, we are performing quit. We have not clicked on any of the link as of now. It is just a home page. Okay, it opened. Yes. So with quit as well, even we are able to quit the whole entire browser itself. Okay. So now let's come to this. Let's uncomment this orange HRM. So we will capture that this link. Okay. Orange HRM link, and then we are clicking on it. Okay. So what we will do is we'll perform. So here uh, for a single window, it is clear, correct? You can either perform close or you can also perform quit. So that will perform this almost the same action when you have only one tab opened. But in here we have multiple tabs involved. Okay? Now in this case, how it works? Let's see. So I want to perform close operation. Okay. I have clicked on this link and then I'm performing the close operation. Let's run it now. Okay. You can see that. Okay. As soon as it clicked on this, just close the first tab. So to get more depth understanding, instead of using the get window handle, let's use get window handles. Okay. So you will get that even more clear. Okay. Let's run this now. Okay. Let's comment this. Hmm, yes. If you see here, we have two IDs captured. So the first one is closed. Okay. And the next one, it did not close. The first ID itself, only the ID is perform action on because we have used the close method here. Okay. If I use the quit method, what will happen is run this now. Close this browser instances. See, you can see that these instances are not yet, uh, closed because we had used close. So now we'll quit. Okay, it will click. Okay, it captured both the IDs. So we are sure that it has performed the click action as well. And then it has captured two of these IDs. And then with the quit, it, you know, completely all the instances it closed. Okay, this is the minor difference. Okay, when it comes to uh, close and then quit method, and it is one of the important interview question as well. So how do you handle in case if you have multiple tabs open? So this also you have to suppose say here we have multiple tabs open, right? If you want to perform action on this tab, okay, then what you can do, and you want to close these two tabs, what you can do is you have to capture the window IDs and then also capturing these IDs, and then you can perform close operation on it. Okay, so that is one important interview question. So hope you have learned how quit and then close method works in Selenium. If you have liked this video, please do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.